whew, when I talk, glitter spits. Hi everyone, my name is Aga Tompkins and I am a hairstylist, makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. If you've been here before, if this is your first time here, what's up? This is the look I did today. It's a skeleton look and yeah, I don't know. I just started doing some random stuff. I almost gave up. When I started, I was like, oh, this is looking not that great, but now I'm kind of happy about it. Hope you all enjoy the making of this baby and check this video out. And here is my finished skeleton chick devil woman hot pink mama. Yeah, I just went with the flow and just did whatever. Honestly, felt like this was one that I had a hard time with. I don't usually plan these looks, just so you guys know. I like winging it in the moment. I like being creative and I don't like planning them out. If something looks weird, I just switch it as I go. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is it. It's not cute at all, but it's definitely cool Halloween vibes. Like, you'll freak some people out. Also, just so you guys know, a lot of these looks that I'm doing or whatever, you can definitely buy a mask and paint the same concept onto a mask, and you can even use makeup realistically if you wanted to. Or you can use like acrylic paints or whatever. With COVID and everything, you know, you can stick with the eye look and then paint the masks. Try doing that if you're going out or whatever. Hope that gives you guys an idea of something you can do to make this Halloween fun and not feel like you can't dress up just because of COVID. And if you're staying home, just do a look and have fun with it anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know if there's any other looks you guys want to see during the season. I hope to see you guys back. And don't forget to turn on the notifications button so you can know next time I upload a new video. Spooky. Bye.